guys, welcome back to my channel. I got my Glossybox for the month of June 2018. So yeah, if you want to see what I got in here, make sure you subscribe first. Subscribe, there's a button. It says subscribe. You know you want to press it. Press it. Subscribe! Okay, let's get into what we got here. I did sort of start to open this because it came to my office. So yeah, I did open just only a couple things. Yeah, so let's get into the rest of the stuff that we got here. So first thing I saw was so cute. It's this perfume, and it's called The Artist Studio with Lou Taylor, and it's called Sparkling Mimosa, and then you have this little thing here. And I love collecting perfumes. Like, I have so many perfumes, so we're gonna spray this one. Ah! Wow, it doesn't smell like a mimosa, but it smells like very light and it's like citrusy, so I like it. And the bottle is so cute, and you can just like throw this in your purse, so this is really cute. Or like if you travel, this is really like handy to travel with. Let's see how many ounces. This can't be over 3 ounces. So yeah, it's really cute. Oh, 0.5 ounces. So yeah, this is really good to travel with, and it smells pretty good also. So next thing we got was this eyelash curler, and what is the brand? It's called Imite Makeup by Artists for Artists. So yeah, so this is a lash curler. If you don't know how to use it, you put your lashes in, press down. Ah! Oh my god, I have so much mascara on. And then they curl. So you want to do this with natural lashes, or you can do this to connect your falsies to your natural lashes. It's up to you. But yeah, this is the eyelash curler. Next thing we got was, okay, so see, I don't know why boxes do this. So we got this, the Temple Spa Aromatherapy Resting Cream, which is basically lotion with aromatherapy in it. Okay, let's smell this. I do love lotions though. Don't get me wrong. It's like, it definitely smells like a spa. It definitely smells like a spa. I don't know what the actual fragrance is, but it's definitely like the whole spa relaxing smell. So they gave us this, right? And then we got this Gilcrest and Samas London, England, English Garden Body Lotion. So I'm like, why would you give 2 lotions? Why wouldn't you give not a hair product, but like another makeup product or something? I don't understand why beauty boxes do this, but whatever. I don't know. But I mean, I like lotions, so it's not a problem for me, but I'm just saying, like, why would you give 2 lotions? I don't understand it. So next thing we got was this. They're at it again with this Karl Lagerfeld Model Co. stuff. I got a blush from them and it wasn't good. And it said regular price was $44 freaking dollars. And I'm like, I would not pay $44 for this. But anyway. So yeah, lip liner. I love the color. Let's swatch it and see if it's any good. Here we go. Okay, not bad. I don't like the color on me. It reminds me of that fuchsia-y color that I don't like, but yeah, not bad at all. So I mean, honestly, you can't have enough lip liner, so that's not too bad. Not too bad. Next thing we got, I said, I know they lying with this. Icon Mini by Absolute New York, and I'm like, it's the gold glitz shade. I'm like, this is a fake ass Naked too. Oh, I had a little brush. Oh no, excuse me. Not a brush, a sponge applicator. I don't like rip-off makeup. Like, I don't like dupes. I don't like when something's made and it's supposed to be a dupe. This is like a rip-off of Naked 2, and I'm trying to find my Naked 2. But I mean, Everyone knows what the Urban Decay Naked palette looks like because everyone copies off them. Nobody was making palettes like this before Urban Decay, okay, and the Naked palettes, but whatever. So I'm gonna swatch these and see if they're any good. Like the fluff, I don't mind this color. I don't mind this color. I like mattes that can just like even out your lid. So let's see. I'll give it a chance. Okay, doesn't look horrendous. Let's see here. I mean, okay, decent. This one's called Prosecco. It's crumbling, as you can see. I mean, it's okay. This one's called Soft Copper. I just don't like bootleg palettes. Like, don't give me a bootleg palette. If it's gonna be a non-name brand, give me something original, like, you know, like the Pinky Rose Bright Lights. Like, they're not a big brand, but theirs was original. This is what, cashmere. I mean, this is called Nutty. Let me get it better. Like, I can't even get my finger in here. These are so small. Or maybe it's supposed to be the Naked Heat Mini. I don't know what this is supposed to be. This one, it's not that bad. And then the darkest color is Charred. And really, you can't get your finger really in there. It's gonna be in between the lip liner. I mean, it's okay, but Glossybox, I mean, come on. Don't give me a palette like this. Not when you got BoxyCharm giving out palettes from like The Balm and giving out palettes. No, don't do it. Don't do a Glossybox. I cannot recommend this. I don't even know. I never heard of this Absolute New York brand, but I mean, the palette, it's okay. I mean, you get a mirror with it. That's good. I guess maybe you could throw it in your purse, but that whole sponge tip applicator has got to go. Glossybox, get it together. Get it together. Yeah, I mean, two lotions and no. I don't know why I even try with Glossybox. I keep giving them a chance, and I don't know why I keep doing it. I don't know why. But yeah, so this is the Glossybox for the month of June 2018. You guys, let me know, what do you think of Glossybox? I mean, I keep saying I'm gonna cancel it. These are very powdery. Before I wipe them off, I don't know. I don't know if I should keep them. I mean, the eyelash curler is cool and all, but two lotions, really, in a beauty box? Like, come on, get it together, Glossybox. Guys, till the next video, make sure you watch my other unboxings. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.